Hi everyone, how's it going? We have rocked up at Coffin Bay National Park and it's really pretty. It's like coastal scrub as you drive in, but the campground at Yangie Bay is really nice. It's spread out, you got a bit of room between you and your neighbours. It's very bushy. The toilets and stuff here are good, so yeah, 2 thumbs up for us so far. There's internet access as well. We're getting about 2 bars of 4G without an external antenna here. Yeah, really digging it. So we're gonna go explore Coffin Bay National Park over the next few days, and we saw some emus already, which is really exciting. So yeah, let's get into it, let's do it. Let's show you Coffin Bay National Park.
First stop is Point Avoid on our explore of the Coffin Bay National Park. It's pretty epic. It's pretty windy though today, so hair's going a bit wild. But yeah, massive cliff tops looking out over the ocean. This one is Golden Island Lookout, and man, that watercolour, wow. This is Avoid Bay. Nice little protected area today because the wind's coming from the other side, so it's nice and calm in comparison, which is nice. A little bit seaweedy though today, but that's okay. Nice for a walk along the beach.
Wow, good fun. Beautiful.
Good morning!
Good morning.
What are we up to today?
We're going for driving.
Yeah.
We're going to explore the rest of Coffin Bay National Park, all the top part that's only 4-drive accessible.
Yeah.
So
By the rest of, we haven't really done that much yet anyway. So.
no.
We're going to do the full drive part today. So
Yeah, up to the tip and back. Big day.
we've heard great things about it, and yeah, it's going to take all day. So we're up bright and early.
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock.
We've got snorkeling gear on board, we've got food and drink, lunches,
Yeah, we're going to make a day of it.
camera gear. Yep.
We'll take you along. Hopefully the weather clears up a little bit more. It's meant to be nice and warm, but it's a bit chilly this morning so far. So hopefully by the time we get some nice beaches, it's beautiful.
Yep. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Emus.
Yeah, little baby. Where's Dad? I wonder where Dad is.
little bouncy and chewed up. Nothing that truck doesn't handle easily.
Rocky.
Especially the side-to-side movements are a little uncomfortable this high up. Front to back, no dramas.
Drinking at the bottle, not thinking about tomorrow. Don't worry, that's a motto, so we keep moving along. Driving down a Cabo in the sunburned El Dorado. Don't worry, that's a motto, so we keep moving along. So we keep moving along. So we keep moving along. Drinking at the bottle, not thinking about tomorrow. Don't worry, that's a motto, so we keep moving along. Driving down a Cabo in the sunburned El Dorado. Don't worry, that's a motto, so we keep moving along. So we keep moving along. So we keep moving along.
Bouncy seats are bouncy on bikes.
Alright, we made it to our first beach, 7 Mile Beach. Just stopped to stretch the legs, let the kids have a little run around, have a drink, bit of a snack, and enjoy the view. So just along 7 Mile Beach a little bit is a whale carcass that washed up last summer. It is massive, never seen anything like it, so wow. It may not be there when you come through, but keep an eye out. We've arrived at Sensation Beach and it is sensational, except for the wind. It is so windy that we can't enjoy it. We've come down to the end at Misery Bay. to try and get away from the wind, but it's still just as windy here today. But man, the white sand, perfect blue water on a perfect day, even just a less windy day, it would be absolutely spectacular. We've made it all the way to Point Sir Isaac, which is pretty much the furthest point along the track. I'm going to say like the northern side of the park. It is stunning, and because it's on this side today, the wind is pretty much just a natural little breeze. So we're going to stop for some lunch, possibly swim, and play on the beach. It's amazing. It was a mission to get here though. No like obstacles as such, but just a rough rocky road, really narrow for us. Just yeah, hard work and a long way at like 20 k's an hour max. So totally worth it though, and that's all part of the adventure and the fun, isn't it? To go on the off-road tracks a bit and explore. But yeah, we're hungry, so I'm glad we got here so we can have some lunch. We've encountered some damage. And it wasn't even from the four-wheel drive track. It was when someone else was trying to come out on a track with a caravan, and we tried to get out of their way because, you know, they had a caravan trying to tow it. And Daniel went into a branch trying to get out of their way. Okay. Alright, well, everyone wanted to stop at the whale carcass again, and that's now turned into swimming. Because this water here is absolutely perfect. So calm, so clear, beautiful temperature, barely any wind. It's a really good spot for an arvo swim. So who knows how long we're going to spend here. Aria's just sleeping through all of this bumping. Fast asleep. Alright, we're back at the main challenge of today. I'm riding up the hill in sand to be up the top to film everyone coming up. So this is it. It's steep and soft and divoty. So here we go. Like a dream. Easy done.
I'm the man, I got the plan. When it hits the fan, do all I can, do all I can. When she lets her hair down, she drives me wild. And she looks in my eyes. Hell yeah! I don't care, it's a double dare. I ain't scared, you best beware, you best beware. It's alright, she's in my side. I got all night, so just sit tight, so just sit tight. When she lets her hair down, she drives me wild. And she looks in my eyes. She's in the groove now. Gonna make her mine. I've got to move now. Hell
That's us done.
What a massive day. A
Been
great day.
awesome
yeah,
day.
Awesome day.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
much fun. And it wasn't like I had a couple of obstacles to do, but nothing truck braking.
Nothing hectic. It was
No.
very bumpy.
It was bumpy and just like sandy.
There was one little section where you probably, if you didn't get a good line or something, you might need a winch up, but it's or just a snatch from someone else.
Yeah, but it took us like all day. Like we left at 8:30, got back at 6:30. So we did stop for an
That was
hour and
with
a half
quite
at
a bit of
lunch,
beach
and then-
relaxing involved.
Yeah, exactly. So like
2 beach stops.
yeah, but if you make a day of it, like
Yeah.
pack some lunch and take your time and
Pack
make
some
your day.
drinks, yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Also, we didn't show you us letting down tyres because we did that yesterday afternoon ready, because we leave from here, from the campsite to the four-wheel drive track. So we let them down yesterday afternoon, so we're organised and ready. So that is definitely important to remember as well.
Yeah, so we ended up at 23 PSI on our big tyres. The guys we were with, they were running around 18 to 20 PSI for the day. So
Yeah.
they were on like normal dual cab utes and stuff, and they were running 18 to 20.
Yeah, so there you go. Just an important piece of information.
It's a hot tip.
Anywho, we're going to get some dinner on.
Yeah,
and,
chicken burgers.
Yeah,
Um,
and chill out in this beautiful afternoon.
Yeah.
Evening. It's evening now. So late.
enjoy.